My baby, my Valentine. Yeah. Can I hear the making my temperature rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your love ain't it, totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body. Your body never carry she. Gonna make I see one day. You're my love, one city. You make a bad man sing.
Oh, hello there. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, this was back last year. Decided to treat myself to my first ever solo trip. So, here we are. I am going to do a room tour for you all. Oh, I'm in Cancun. I guess I should mention that. I'm at this beautiful resort. This is the Atelier Playa. You know what? I'm not even gonna try. I'm gonna put the name of the resort because you know my Spanish. I don't need y'all coming for my Spanish now. So, but yeah, it's so beautiful. I believe I got the 1-bedroom king suite. I don't know the official name of it, so if I can find the name, I'll also put it. But I am obsessed. I just got refreshed, took a shower, so beautiful. Y'all look at this tub. Like, oh, this is the bathroom actually, and it's a mirror. Anyway, I'm gonna give y'all a full tour outfit of the day, but I'm super excited for this trip. I'm gonna vlog, of course, what I do, but this part is just gonna be the tour, and then we'll do the vlog in another video. So let's go ahead and get into it. So when you first walk into this beautiful room, you are granted by this hallway. Oh my goodness. Everything is so big here. You have this beautiful bench right here, which probably has like storage in it. Actually, I'm not gonna open it. I'll open it later. But then you have this wardrobe. Actually, we'll go into the bathroom last because that's one of my favorite places. But I love the farmhouse doors. You have this beautiful wardrobe here. What we will do is open the wardrobe. So it's so tall. Oh my goodness. I don't know how tall this is, but a lot of space here. So I'm definitely about to unpack my clothes because I don't want them to get wrinkled. Boom. We have, look at this, y'all. This is so nice. I feel like I'm not getting the full, you can only do so much with this landscape view. But anyway, it's a wardrobe, y'all. It's a closet. There's lighting in here. Oh, I'm not about to show you me because I look a little crazy, but there is a full mirror here. Yep, that's the mirror. So I love this. I already feel relaxed. Like the lighting, look at the front door. Everything is just so big. I'm so small compared to everything that's in here. Are y'all ready for this room? It has my luggage. It got all dirty. I'm so upset, but it's fine. Look at this. This is an all-inclusive resort, okay? Everything is included. The vibe. Look at this painting. They knew I was coming to this room because y'all know I love black and white. Love this painting. Look at these aesthetics, y'all. I'm definitely gonna try to get me some cute photos in the room at least. So this is so cute. This is like the mini bar. They have snacks in here. They have drinks, a full stocked fridge. And again, everything is included, so I can have whatever I want. And then they got your girl bottle of wine. So that is going to open. It's my little gift bag for my trip. Y'all, it's so peaceful in here. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna take you this view. Let me try not to All right, we're gonna come over here. Here we go. All right, this is the lighting that I want. This is beautiful. This is so big, you guys. I love it. I'm obsessed. I am going to have an amazing couple of days. Okay, and then I also have a balcony out here with a nice view. And it's warm as well. I don't lock myself out. It's like a golf course over there. And that is the resort. This is balcony. So pretty nice, but it's hot, so I'm about to come back inside. And I'm gonna take you guys to the bathroom so that you can see. I just happened to come over to the TV. Look, y'all, my name is on the TV. What the heck? I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it. All right, let's go to this beautiful bathroom. I am sucker for bathrooms. Y'all ready? Voila! Look at this. Okay, so first of all, let's get into this tub. Talk about aesthetics, you guys. Look at this. With the gold hardware. I'm obsessed. And then in all the bathrooms, y'all, is molten brown. If y'all know about molten brown, I don't know what y'all doing, because those are some good products, okay? Look at the sink. I'm trying not to show myself because I just got off the flight. But look how beautiful this bathroom is. Ugh. I'm so glad I have my own room. Look at this. They have stocked like everything that you need, okay? Again, boom, molten brown. They got water, they have mouthwash, like everything that you need is here. Then, oh, they have a scale. That's different. Look at the shower. Look how gorgeous this is. I'm obsessed with this room. This is so beautiful. Look at this. Yeah, I'm not really talking a whole lot. Well, it's not much to say. This is, of course, the toilet. The resort had the most amazing spa. Talk about luxury at its finest. I had the spa pedicure, which was amazing. It came with a scalp massage, a shoulder massage, and even like a warm compress. What an amazing experience. There are a lot of restaurants and eateries, and as I mentioned before, the resort is all inclusive, and it's also adult only. I do believe that they have a family side, but it's not connected to this particular or it's connected, but it's on the other side of the resort, if that makes sense. All their food was good. The bars were good. I mean, all of the drinks and cocktails are included. If you attend, I recommend getting the Miami Vice. It was such a cute drink and tasted so good. The pool was amazing. All the facilities were super clean. Room service is 24 hours. I mean, I I just had me a good old time. Okay, I did come here for a conference, so I was in a series of events, but I will share a little bit more about that in my next video. But everything was amazing. The resort also has several murals, and they were also painted by this gentleman right here. So I'm gonna put his information in the description, but he is so dope. I absolutely love his work. But that's it. This was my primarily for the room tour. Stay tuned for the next video.